My name's Stephen Hawley. I came here in 2007. I'm 40 years old. Been working as a welder for 10 years. I was a cook before I started welding and decided that welding was a good career to get into. Welding's a lot more fun. You can get creative and artsy with it. Everybody's always looking for welders for their company. There's always jobs hiring for welders. Welding is something you should be able to use throughout your whole life because it helps you fix many things. Things around your house, things in your garage, and things at your job. At first, I didn't know what to expect out of the Arc and Flame Center. And when I came in here, the atmosphere was friendly. It was very clean. They made you feel comfortable. I think if you had any questions, they were willing to answer any questions. They don't make you feel dumb about anything. The welders all ran great. They helped you set them up. It was a good experience overall. It was a lot of fun to come here. It was a good part of my day. Arc and Flame Center is the greatest about teaching you about reading blueprints, which is very important. That's what makes me very useful at my job. They teach you enough to where you're confident, and even people that have been welding there a lot longer than me can come to me and I know that I'll understand the prints. They really drill it in your head how to read prints and how to weld the right way. I work as a welder building farm equipment. We use spray arc and we use MIG welding. A lot of hot welding, it's large equipment. The Arc and Flame Center definitely prepared me for that. Arc and Flame Center prepares you to go anywhere as a welder.